Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I've brought to you another update that will blow your mind. A update that will make you make a lot of money to yourself all the time. So before I jump into the video, let me do a little bit introduction of myself. I am Crypto 001. What I do in this channel is I promote any kind of updates, any kind of related terms to crypto that will make you money, such as exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, a drop opportunity, and the rest. Anything related to crypto, I bring it to here as far as it's bringing money to your wallet. So what we are going to do now is we want to do P2P arbitrage. I want to show you that you can actually use this to make money if you are consistent, if you are always checking online to see if there is opportunity, because everything is based on opportunity. So please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification button, because I'm doing this for free. I'm doing this for the love of humanity. I'm just giving this out. It won't hard for me to just keep quiet and be using this opportunity to make money to myself alone, but I decided to share with you guys. So I think I deserve the subscribe. At least that is the only way you guys can pay me. Just subscribe and like my video, please. And please, I'm begging you guys. You guys are like my next family. So if I don't post updates for you guys, who am I going to post for? Please just subscribe. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the update. We want to do what is called P2P trading arbitrage. So first of all, move to deposit. I click on deposit. Ignore P2P trading, ignore buy with NGN. What you need to do is deposit with NGN. Click on the second one after P2P trading where you see deposit NGN. You now click on it. Okay, click on continue. Imagine you want to start this trade with 1 million. Let's say we have amount of 1 million that we want to start. Now insert. Okay, we now insert 1 million. Then we are if we insert 1 million, this is the amount of NGN we are going to have. 995,000. The amount of NGN we are going to get with our 1 million is 995,000, and the charge merchant fee is actually 5,000 naira. And what you need to do next, let's just click and see if there is going to be a matching offer, and we are going to click on continue and see if there is going to be a matching offer. Boom. Can you see there's a matching offer? You can see there is a matching offer, assuming you want to sell buy now. Okay, let's just go back because I don't want to, but I'm just doing this. I'm just risking this for the purpose of this video. I actually don't want to click on this. I just, because some of my guys, they find it out to get a merchant. No, though sometimes it do happen actually, but you need to be. That's why I said in my previous video that you need to be going to this arbitrage, like test the website like 3 or 5 times in a day. You might be lucky to see a match. Always come to this website often and check if there is a matching offer. Like assuming I want to buy now, I would have made, like, let me say 15 or 20 profit right now. So I don't want to buy. Let me just go back. Okay, I'll now click on cancel order. I'm very sorry for this guy. It's not my fault. I was just doing this for the purpose of tutorial. Please forgive me. Cancel. Now click on cancel order. I don't want to trade anymore. I will now click on OK. And click on confirm cancellation. So I'm going back. So I will now go back here. So with our 995,000 naira, let's go and check how much we will make from this. Let me go back. Okay, I now enter into my thread. Okay, we are on this interface now. We are on thread. What we need to do now here is insert the amount that we have left after the merchant, sorry, 995,000. Okay, with our 995,000, we are going to have the sum of 674.1 USDT. Now copy this, copy it, and move to our P2P. You click on sell, you go to filter, toggle off this so that you can see ads from other people that are not verified but they are legit. Don't be scared, since you are the one selling. I think they are going to first of all deposit money to your account before you release the crypto to them. Please make sure you confirm the money in your account so that they will not run you fake transfer. Click on confirm. Okay, now you set the amount you want to actually sell. You include 1 million. Okay, you click on confirm. Okay, you can see merchants who are willing to buy. See, you can see this one is verified. You can see, you just talk. Let's just click on filter again. Okay, we have already done that. Okay, you can see the merchant here. This one is selling at, you can see their rates. You can see their rates actually, but let's go with this first guy. So we now click on sell. Now put in the amount we have. Okay, boom. You can see, you can actually see with your 1 million you make a profit of, let me say, 800 naira. But the last time I made this video, the last time I made a video like this, I actually made 15,000 or 20,000. So but in this one you can see, yeah, you actually made a profit of 800 naira, which is not still bad, because you are not going to place an ads and wait. You are just going to buy and sell immediately. Okay, because this kind of arbitrage is not like you just go buy and come and place an ads. What you need to do is just come, buy there, come and sell immediately. You can go back and do the same method, often and often. Imagine, let's say 800 800 times 800 times, you go 30 times, this 24,000. Imagine you making like 24,000 times 30. That is in 1 month time. If you are making 24,000 every day using this arbitrage opportunity, in 1 month time you will make 720,000 naira. As you can see, this is actually profitable. So this is actually profitable. So please, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, please like and share my videos. Please, if there's anything that is bothering you and you feel like maybe there's something you don't do right, just comment it. I will tell you there. I will not even ask you to join my VIP class, but I will tell you or make a video to show you the problem, if actually I know the problem. So because I won't do what I don't know, I do what I know. The one I don't know, I will tell you, yeah, I don't know, let me just go and find some updates. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video till the end. God bless you.